Hello and welcome. VDU, Reese, April 10th, 2019. We've been getting a lot of questions about how to back up and restore VERTO, so that's what this video will show. Let me share my screen. Okay, so right now I just need to go from anywhere into the settings. Just click on the left-hand side settings here. Then I need to click my backup config. Sometimes it will appear behind. There we go. And I'm just going to call it VERTO demo. I already have that file there. I'm just going to override it. Do I want to override it? Yes, I do. Now, if I'm importing into another wallet, I can just hit restore config, go choose that file, open it, and give the password. Now, this is not the password of the current wallet. This is the wallet. This is the wallet password of the file that you downloaded and backed up. Once that's loaded, it'll just come into the scene and load itself up into your VERTO. So now I'm going to pause the recording and set it up from a clean slate. So no VERTO. It's as if I migrated it over from a wallet into another wallet. All right, so this is the scenario. We've backed up a config. Maybe I had it on Android and I want to do it on web, or maybe I'm updating my operating system, or any number of things. So I've backed up my configuration and I'm going to import it into a clean wallet. So we saw how we can back it up from inside the settings. This is how we can back it up from a clean wallet. So no configuration yet. I got it. I hit this restore config. It's going to ask me to select my file. We'll pick the VERTO demo config, open it. Next. So I had nothing at this time. This is important. This is the password of the file when I downloaded it, not necessarily the current password or my newer password. So you have to remember to make sure you align that with the stuff here backing up. And there we go. Now we've imported and we have our new wallet. This works on, or will work on, all the platforms. So I hope that was useful. If you want to see any more facts on how to do stuff that was in the wallet functionality, let us know and we'll do a video on it. So thanks for watching, and as always, be good.